obese and the healthy carriers are about 23%. 23% of the population. And sickle cell for them 2%. But the sickle cell affected the whole family. Into about 5% of our family of our population are suffering, or 5 to 10%. Or sickle cell. Did suddenly sana omudi akwa anas omudi nya yare.
Yeah.
So
enti no wo de no mienu na wo mo. Omo nyina nso koye SS.
Me ma mienu no pe na me wo no san so me anwo bi.
Anwo bi.
Chesa
ti mo man check.
Ya ncheke.
Ma memra kwaku ho na won chirim. Kwaku me ye sure so wanyi fine.
Kama.
E na wo ye ya a sustain no abedru ne.
Okay. And the nyami adom na dia sustaining me abedu. Na after nyami moaye no me ma me so aboa me pa. Chese ni hwemu wo beginning. Beginning there wasn't much research in it, but sisi ade nimdie akomu to that extent to say amanfo nim se na handle. However, ye inti ye din kakra na ebedu de away. Ene aduane die ni wo hospital call ni ade. But ye bedu this point 2025 no ye nyina ye decide say there be after the sickle cell no ye hwene so no because if we have people like us in the community me tire e bia wo ni wo die but wo yare na ba na me yare da me da bed no so ye be catch us say there's no bed in bia be o say me sickle cell no affect but it affect everybody in the community if say yen 2% keke no ye kase always and then ye call hospital channel and then ye call yeah we go in and out of the hospital so looking at it holistically no, the decision is that you know bar together near reduce numbers because you will move bebre
nti no e ho na mpese yesi because we kasa we no monte say na reduce no monka ho no nkire ye
okay so reduction is that initially when you do the ages of 16, 17, 18.
But the next encounter, me man almost started. Me hunu wo status no. But me kato na adwene mu. Enti wo nyine na wo kɔ no. Wo hia obi na mani gye mo ho a me ye AC. No aka na de. Ya nya ne sa, ye beka sa wo munti o. Me se nne ye dan mu kra ye ti. Wo kɔ kan ya wo bisa nsa wo cycling status ye de. O ti wo positive. Negative. Chese ya keka ni nyina abom. Anu ti na mpese ye nkasa tenten. Straight to the point. Ushia will be when you are Jamohua. Young status, no be uncle check in a day. Young check you.
Yeah, as a group, we back together with a project so that the churches would let the youth in the churches find out their status before they start coming together. And Sana Odona started back together until you are to almost all the heads of the churches. And you catch them too. Yen brought together in a coalition that will start creating the awareness in the church. Yen brought together in like yen come yen crony yen kase okay. This is the problem with sickle cell. Yen kola no mo yen asafu no no. Ye be mo bie hu ne status sano. Omo date early in the say me pewe no omuhia na we nim say onam ha we say
in fact near twaso e say start wo school no mo so ma Charlotte e ho no so de na mo ye wo ho because nkra no twempena wo ho papa obi twia no de aware e ne enim ye status aha
schools no say ye ni say ne say mo a wo ye duru eyikura
be de kura 9 years mo
say start ye testing ye ko sorry, so we testing Quran. Near consons, a lot of tests. Last year, is screening over 6,000 people across board. Universities, Lagos, Technical University, Accra, you call Pentecost University, and you call companies. Yes, 2 days testing. Yes, at any age before who bana newborn screening, but that time is late. It's my woman and son woman back together. So I told my son, you come to the dream, say, a money a woman, may come as a man.
No who said yet here. Yes, extreme happiness, wahala. Extreme sadness, wahala. awoba wahala eshoba wahala say wo condition is so special say as wo no in moderation bibia in moderation aduane ne ye wo de bro so crisis chere say nti dey na ye ma kwaku a wa say me ya no ma ba kwaku so because mothers ne be ye wo mo part on be duru SS no seriously nipa no nyare nti na bia menu maduro bo se no wa bre no wa jai nti secret ne ye dey na mpese me hu because ye hwehwei oh se ka se onya 18 obewu na onya 18 obewu nti nipa no wo kura no a ewo ni tirim wo hiti 18 no e wo bewu nti aduro no won no kura sa stigma no so dey na moye e dey afa ho
so that stigma no nti ne ye se ye nyina mpanifo aye nim se ade we be hankodai ti say mane a memi hu ye ne se me wo mu mienu me ye me best kolebo mu declare me an ideal mother hwe wo mu ye fine wo mu go start secondary school kwa no mu nyare o onya crisis
ti ba ko na frim
we free at the age of 17 yes the sign and a classroom of one ya brosanse na from afa no because I'm so concerned taking good care of them say womu ebe get protected nyina che sabi ebi ma nyina kodu 80 kura
one woman be 70 last 2 years or so
ba ko 80 yes enti ye betimi anyini but then can wom
pa
your mothers give up parents give up obi our kura me say no me care me care for them ntia and so my partner feel say yes wo mu bewu etu oja me
can you imagine
and okofa obi ye man obi obeware no healthy children so I don't mind and let me call share wo ko see 70 no mo ya about 7 8 na me fee papa fee and so wo mo hwe wo mama wo mo nyina akoti ya wo mo secondary school obi enim so mo second so because care dey good now how many mothers can do that enye easy
at all
enye easy one now won chese bibia ne wo mo didie wo na wo mo bibia
ne won mo nye se se yeti ha kura wo ya be na medwin hu na mse na wa yi ne hu na afemiyam kura hyehye me nti yesi de bia mo no folic acid ensuo nko a vegetables any fruits eno nko a expensive and a mango bako 20 Ghana eso di fruit vegetables with carrot we betu na ayedua eso didi ye enti my dear kasa na tenten ne tietia yesre mo ne die mu enya agro die emo do no ni wani mo kan na me ni menkrofo bi hye tashi ho side baby omo se training college na omo fole ye omo do omo ho na na omo nim status no omo di do no 10 years am say eh mo atwempana 10 years na mo wo kura senka to de no ye adamata tinemu ana afi omo ye nti asore ne yeso omo ko cheke ye no na emfa ASAC ne ade yeso omo nyai debi omo wesi omo time 10 years omo ye de gya nya hwe omo be manage anti wanim na making na awreho o se crisis na nadwo na eba ensu tobremu na eba ekwa sika ni nyina ahye mesro menko sa situation we mu bi esa akora na wo ha no ko pain no yesi mema no crisis let me see wo mo be mem na ejina so chiren we de wani mu a what experience bi da de nyame ase iti ma my contact na MC enkomo na awie na program bi a mo ye no o chena na bi a wada
the last year the ye ne see ye conference na ya ma at so no o kan say you mu two time o mu ko asori ha yes ye ndimi mu ma mu ware na ye late o si be ware ye be ware ani akowu bi enti ya ye conference a ya bring all of them together last year all the faith groups Muslims nyina ka woni traditional leaders nyina ba
my contact bi na eja
oma hu say e was so mu take up that challenge contact ni say sickle cell condition advocates your number is 0246660012 and 0244655331 nti obi pay information bi on farmer say adwuma ne screening cry ye dey be share and sorry nsa no ma start ya nsa no
ya mishra opa wa ya de dodo ai kwaku wa hwe ne fine
ya me adum
mishra opa kwaku ya de besi ha na so koso amumo dawuro no me ye sure say be tobre bi yenya sickle cell bia because preventable simple cry we kasa bia anim wuhia no me se wo de ne mane mo maso me AAAS ho no anu atwe ho nkohia na ade problem abrem kra no yeda say na yen celebrate abusia ni adofo a wodi won birthday we de modaro ma monchen me na me fam famu emra happy birthday nkoma Rachel Owusu Drowa Rachel Owusu Drowa Eradin sure no nyo kese oma asumfra dum nkwa dum nyini ye obanya nsafo kokodrufo papa akwasi wusu and we show happy birthday. Happy birthday nkoma Ryan Nyameche Bofi. Ryan Nyameche Bofi. Onyame shra papa nyansam nimdie mu. Na onfa nkomra somdie mu nyini beye nipa kese abusua ene oman emu. Omame ene o papa Mrs. Bofi. Abusua ni nyina won ni je ho happy birthday. Happy birthday nko Emma Adelaide Akosua Ochiwa Newman. My lovely, beautiful sister Adelaide Akosua Ochiwa Newman, West Legon, Pokia Wendy 101, and Isabella Mawuli, CEO Defan Manson International School, and I always show a happy birthday. Unkwaso, Radinton and Munchro, no Kesia pa. Happy birthday, Mabel Kofi, level 300 Basic Education Studies, UCC. Nyamisha Mabel Kofi. Radin Domonkwa ni ahodin onobo asiedu na we show happy birthday. Happy birthday nkoma Mrs. Jennifer Na most caring and generous soul I've ever met. When I can say yes so say the okra na eku omu. I love you Mrs. Jennifer Na from your husband Mr. Anthony Na. Oh wow. Ukunu tizis no atroba me twaso. Dia wo ye nkoso aye ne nani so dodo ba pa onkwaso rade ma hunu mama ni nyina nso. Happy birthday nkoma Mrs. Francisca Kwe. Erade ema osumfra domo enko adomo way free Mark Weber and ode ema. Happy birthday Mrs. Sarah Akosia Benhin. Mrs. Sarah Akosia Benhin. Erade enhu mobo no no mo nkwatenten ahodin wom. We ne hunu wo nanan kansoa mu nyina happy birthday. Birthday celebrant so nyina ni yeda mo semre ni adaje a odemaye midin de afia amankwa tamaklo faseda mama Joy Trish ontadi ba akokama ene shebi sister Sandy B oye guy oye krado ahosepe etwaso yen chamuni mama kwa basho yen chamuni mama kwa basho kombra bedroom ahosepe jumedie so world of entertainment de fata oninu tumu no ye de bi esomo wo I say me am the Jumedi ho chia me Medikal catch was say my graduated from Gaius Richmond Adaroma say no me Gaius achipalago BECE macha guy me neck me mum de macha Gaius say me guys me no 2 times a guy me the Sandra or him me mo akwaba na still on me mano updates about them life after Nkrumah what they've been up to omo project bani ade people helping them omo na put you on because it's very necessary say you be shine on because yes Nkrumah ye share me boa enti the season 8 no ba boa for time e che more Richmond we show me producer the most wanted producer ever say the guy no no a friend OPD ma me describe we na wa mbe we kokko ni hedu ne ho afeye pa wo social ne so OPD_. Cheshanu my TikTok ni Instagram. Mark Weber, I'm a director. Paluta, a sound engineer. MC Chamigo, Miss Baden, Echimeni Mamma. Now by inside her, cold room guy sage and Fidi Nechia, or more hunim dear Madaroma. Omode bought Mechidoma Kama, my friend no aka Galamse. You may be a wavy, or Revni a day, and a Massa Eddie, Omina Bomechi Edom. And a young quack, and Shaman Kola Wine and Wabestra me. Meba Nkrumah season 7 finalist. So my catch myself kwala de am mesra. Me nyesi ewie show na mo mu krom sa mo mra. Mo nsra mo ma me guy na ma femo. And a little angel and aba me studio has say. Baby girl what you saying?
Patchoy.
We aso we owo. Wo so mu se ohuro a what on patchoy. Ma femo what you saying?
Patchoy.
Hey Nkrumah house on ye be G and yo. Mo share akula what you am patchoy. O so mu se ohuro what to ho anu abeso waso. There's a little enjoy there, auntie. I miss you. Bibi aboko.
Patchoy.
Let's enjoy. One kasake say I'm chicken. One kasake say I'm chicken.
So was wow, mammy, they me discipline come online. Boom, mammy, what's it? After I'm sure my about to say school combining with talent at saying.
But yeah, weekends. No course studio, okay. Short recordings.
Oh, okay. It's that recordings, like was saying.
But
okay. And exposure na Adom TV, the man on and show my show no so no. Who you soon ye dear. Yeah, unya event kakra.
Pacha.
Sir? And our manager no ha say, nipa or manage little angel. Surprise so I couldn't see a cranny born homodin or and show my so aside ne mammy. Our tiny chino, ni teacher. Our trainer deal with school. Can you imagine? Oh, Paul, your monse must say. I love it when teachers go the extra mile. Oh, Paul Buma teacher. That's right. I like it when teachers go the extra mile. Aside teaching in Kwalano, you makumem say, obi wa me class or talent. Obono modi. In fact, you fancy mbo and share J Zion, a little angel teacher. Yo, come here, sir, come here. That's right. That's mommy. Wow. And then the yellow. Yes, move. Pose. About to say. Baby girl, pretty bad kaka. About boko there.
Yeah, nyamina dom.
Wow.
Yeah, okay.
Before I ever ba o Jenny ne so no.
Okay.
Maybe our class.
Yeah.
And time and I'll discover say, oh, you good in singing.
Yeah, so every time we are our program, we have planned for the term.
Okay.
And so ma akonya for students who can dance, who can sing.
All right.
Anything we do, pick an act and all of that to figure out the talent of the students. Yeah. And as we told I was like, ooh, I didn't know. And then naturally she's a quiet type. Like our class.
Okay.
So hearing her sing, I was like, yeah, there's something in there we need to put in check.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, you're quiet type. You know, bansh mad you over church me. I collect to one about church. I bet you I say. I'm saying collect cry.
Or EP as and when.
Okay.
But naturally, on your beer, or too loud.
But say field now all around. I was say it's me a kind of shake cry.
Very important.
So we'll be ready for the industry.
Exactly.
Yes, and the but at least the boldness and the confidence. Yes. I trust you on that. Now, J Zion. Obonyoma.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a rapper. And I Jenna Bay now.
Yeah, Afro fusion. More of Afro beat rap.
It's now we share Jackie, because also saw your Afro fusion, sir. Oh, yeah, about Jenny, How has it been for you, Jenny? It's saying.
Yeah, very experiencing, and moreover, the whole thing is that me Sano, I discovered is a part of me that a bit of attention anytime I'm trying to do it.
Wow.
Auntie, and I pay attention to what exactly it is that. As a everybody like me, everybody like you. This guy, auntie. That was where I figured I have something in me, but not me what I had. Yes.
Yeah, so with combining music with teaching. My mom was home a couple of times. Yeah. The way I had done calling a guy. Oh. I mean, what about to pay with TV so? Yamin show. When Colano was some good relationship there. A man calling best school can know many agents.
Exactly.
God bless you so much. Just a man best school, it's me that because you say you've got them. Most school needing quite the same.
Delight International School.
Headmaster, big shout outs to him.
Yeah.
And also supported talent. One what you organize show now, Colano just say Munji Fridays. A friend
say Abraham.
Yeah. God bless you, sir. God bless you. Yeah, okay. Or you be a friend in no pain. J Zion your friend of Shannon so. Now, we discuss about music and teaching. J Zion and a little enjoy my guest. And then when we are not 2 times a guy, and then 2 times a guy. Wow, it's dope.
Yeah, thank you.
Tell me how I because so teacher needs say as I say implement additional knowledge woman. I mean, you're good though.
Yeah, thank you.
Then you want to how far do you want to take it?
I think to God, I see it as a calling, and he is going to be it's going to go far.
Now, we're teaching, at the same time, because we try the Monday to Friday.
Yeah, so one thing about the music is I focus more on the message. Yes. So as and when you get the message, sometimes you can send the vocal to your, the engineer that this is something you want to do. You get a sample of it. Now I send you man. Into a bit my beat.
News.
Yes.
What's subject being?
Me the English language.
International you will recycle this one of paying. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, English language and that of religious and moral education.
Hey. Yes, my medicine.
Because
yes, my medicine.
Mary.
Or Papa the same.
Joseph.
You won't know where he. You want to sue him.
Jordan.
Yeah, religious. You watch it. Baby girl. Said you go studio Saturdays. Studio home. What do you pick as a musician? Then I want say, hey, some music in where you may.
When I see the studio,
what if it's sitting now for 7? Adom TV near was away. Kachin, what my home told. What a post grad work abroad for. Why? By any language are you comfortable? Just speaking at this one.
When I see the studio work, then I feel like me that I'm doing the studio work.
Hey, I also want to PAP and video no recording. She comes from a family of talent.
Yeah.
Her mother used to dance with Slim Bastamo. I don't know, so we name my background.
Yeah.
None of my many Slim Bastamo. Papa the same. Very fino. Oni legend na sasa. And an sister so a TikToker, serious TikToker dancer. What's that reference? Dia. So it's not surprising say what this talent. It is say the best one sir. Na the way not to so I know it's not easy teaching. Wow, promoting now say promoting me be. Say you be na fidie kese so na yada wase. Me asra hode am sing am mo na to aso sa fa. But you mo social big shout out to where you cinematographer or where you.
Yeah, bless.
Oh, one so come is okay show be shot to every show pa.
All right, so big shout out to you, Syrup. Thanks for the support. I appreciate the genuine love, Charlie. You're a true brother. God bless you.
Syrup, God bless you because never got on a neighbor. And then you were like, no, friends like this.
Yes.
Friends like Syrup. God bless you, Syrup. Oh boy, you might now sound engineer, so the same.
Yeah, friend of Psych Tunes. Psych Tunes, a great production. I also want to express gratitude to Evidence.
Okay.
On shoot to music video.
Oh, nice, that's nice.
Yeah, so he's done so well. And then director, manager Kamasa.
Okay.
So I had a hard time and he came in to put me back on when it comes to the music. Yes, so my social media platforms, on Facebook is J Zion, Instagram J Zion Official, and of course YouTube. Go and subscribe to the channels. Back-to-back productions are happening. Yes, and J Zion _GH, J Zion _GH, and Twitter at I am J Zion. Back-to-back. Now, I can say this time the EP, but my first time.
Nice.
Yes, life, it comes with a whole lot of lessons, and I believe that music is one of the channels that you can share your experiences to people. You can also advise them through the melody, the sound. Yes, and so I have this EP coming up. I'm hoping September, October. Matuni this far.
Okay.
Also, we all who say we do pempen I am now ordinary say so whatever I went through, whatever I felt, whatever happened, I put into melody of about 6-7 songs. That Yatunidin this far and the Omunsheni is going to be time next one. This is home. Sure. So your baby moody. You be up on anytime, just knock on it. Baby girl, bet your mama, bet you had a phobia or message via fetcher to an sorry.
Hello, Ghana.
Hello, Ghana. Casa for.
With a little angel, when I'm about in swimmer season 7. Now, me do grand finale.
That's right.
See, confirm vote mammy na nyami shram.
Amen. 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 Maybe they say I was so do rough, so we didn't come up. J Zion, little. Thank you for coming. Member school Member na. Yeah, sorry, swa. Mami jam a little angel video. We are sure some muffin performer. Arambe to mami.
Hear what I say. Harambe.
Cho. That was my all-time favorite performance of you. So you said also your dope performance, man.
Yes.
I mean, fine show. Tiabusia, J Zion, and a little angel. I'm a guest. We show way back. Confront some abidiha. You be coming in. My best is here. Me sounds more akwa baby mba Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so ya na ye advocate say ye be feature Ghanaian creatives BECE mu because I say West Africa for in exams e be ye fe say ye be hu Ghana ni bibi e wo bands na no me team abo hair logistics GH on say aside works are omoye no utimi kwatena se na ya nwene wutina ma wo ene wanwene me ye na me bo me ti ache ba be nden and a hair logistics about hacho. Welcome, Dinah. You are quite. But hair logistics GH a share Google map and Obekoho for 4 football meeting crying at discounts or more social media and so almost higher ways. Corredio Pibiana selected Udia Elm. 18 appeal no aquadroom penny for any more. I economoa. Nyami Adom. This year BECE or choice and run and Colani area on my feature. Ya top no superstar. I was a free America. Es que Paluta, es que Paluta, ekoye mama. We di ekoye mama. You be some Kolani say, Kwasa number 1. And that's one. You be say asida crown when you say asida the message very na carry. And you say bisa Kwasa etosu mienu say Kim Paluta nyom. Eya na ye nkranhye e kan brabo mu nsem true or false. We obi a wenti enyo ba kwasan force. Hey, kwalai. But wo hwem kwa wo chame kwa me mu nyina wo. Mu ntino ye bo wa ye kaba so say mo feature Ghana for. E wo mnye de bia na bebisa is the video and Afro star de ya bre pa. Ntino menim sa alata fo etwa question there because sani ye bisa ase de bia na alatani won titwi no na ye den. Ba ni nyina Ghana to the whole we are saying to say na BECE ne kwala mo de asi no. A big congratulations, welcome to the world. Take it easy. We'll be pentama community. Ube kwa secondary school community hide. Community kwa. Tinkwalano congratulations. And some offering pong, aka MDK. Videos be trendy ya. Ne fan be by stage ya. Sebita frach and previous. Adien chenye. Obo abaya neton. Emia ya. Adien chenye kura minti mi emmo. Na wo mia neto fono. Ena social fono. Abashena obeje di say some from pom etimi aba montene so abeka say we hu obi a wo baba wo se we hu na ye ena enkofo ka say ena we hu nam se wonim se okoste watwetwi mu correct video da ho ansa na medical be fruits na moya na mo hye ape mu ride enum nsuo na ye training kogem bo skipping huri di na treadmill so energy na natural beba when the catch was said drugs no e mo anya energy e mo akoma yare ugina so almost we try her tall gone too soon ye twam we yesu di name me training what ti wo se we hu ti netizens atro bi enhwe comment no e be real quick what chan kom kwa ma brewi ase mo afa me hye me e bi na da so no obi say have you forgotten how he smoked before coming to stage or for some dance ni wa abrocha na make catch before be full stage there is a video e da ho a watwe mu ku ha je mu che kusi bon what you know be say Ghana artist nyina akwa we na ye John no oh John dia na wo tro minim so we oh John na tro ye fancy na me ntumofo be say isn't this harassment exactly obi a wo baba medical mu ye 2 siblings wo na wo nua ba na u press fan no so crowd so boy so na ye de na ngala en ko ni say ni me fancy hello justice abomitia mame Richmond Mark Weber OPD
I would say, my mom trust us and I'm 2 times a guy and I'm producer live. My main friends are an active nurse and Kama AD, Frank Asempa, and Afe Masapo, MCR, Eugenia, makeup department. I'm the guy's queen. Which I'm going to say 2 times a guy. Guys, I'm new.